Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're trying to find this white cat. You see, we've got Riley here and Jed. Okay, let's see.
Guess who's back?
There's a crack. Let's look through it.
I'm back, guys. I'm back, guys.
Do you see it, guys? A white cat. Guys, I'm gonna stick my phone over the top of it, okay?
Can you say anything? Guys, can you say anything?
I don't know, we'll have to rewatch the footage though.
Guys.
Oh, I can see on here.
No, I need.
I don't see it.
Guys, I need. Can somebody go get my shoes real quickly? Yeah. I'm gonna climb up on it and like film over. Okay?
On what?
I'm gonna like.
Come on,
Technically.
grab one of those chairs.
No. I'm gonna climb up it.
On the fence?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
Ooh,
poke.
that's a ladder.
Yes, it is. Let's
Will it
poke it up.
work? Will it work?
No.
So right.
Can you see it? Comment down below if you can see it. I don't know if you
Yes.
can see it because I can't see it, but like I can't see it on this.
Guys, I'm hopping over.
He's gonna hop the fence.
Oh, I'm him, guys. I'm him in my room.
Go. This is gonna be such a good video. It's still involved with it's still involved with animals, so technically it still counts as like animals channel because it's an animal. It's a cat.
Can you go get the chair?
No.
Yes.
I definitely was not doing a close up just then. Look, Riley.
What are you doing? Hey, do you want to see this cat or not?
Yes. Go.
Hold it there. Hold it. And Sky. No, on here, you dummy. No, there.
That's what I'm doing.
It's not there.
Let me have a look. I'll have a look.
No, pass me the phone. Pass me.
Don't drop it. You're covering. You're covering. I'll come up with
No,
it.
hold it. Hold that. I'm gonna hop over it.
Okay, I'm standing on it. It can't tip. Stop, Riley. Are you going in the yard?
Will they care?
No.
Okay.
Just say the ball went over.
Yep, pass.
And say that you just threw it back over. You're just coming. Go. Make sure you show it. Give me some.
Okay, guys. I'm over.
Just say a tennis ball went over and you're just looking for it and then say come out. Just say that you just threw it back over and you're just making your way back out.
Okay, guys. There. Might. Do I have to go all the way over the other side?
Yeah. Jed, it might be under the deck over there.
Under the deck. Oh, found it! I found it, guys. Can you see that? That thing. Bro, hop over. Riley can't hop over. Bro, can you guys see that? Come on. It's over here. Is Riley over? There it is. Wait, no, it's low battery. Close?
Yeah.
It's over there. Right there. Swimming's over.
Careful. Oh, it was a kitten. Okay, let's go out here. You can't see us. Riley! Somebody take the phone. Hold this.
Yeah. Let's film Scott.
Don't turn on that to get back up. Wait, how are we going to get back up? Oh, wait.
What? Okay, hop over.
Yeah, it ran off. We got it on camera.
Yeah, it ran off. It was on camera.
I don't know, it went into the bushes.
Somebody painted it.
Just jump into the middle of it.
Jump.
Yeah, that's what I did. I just dropped onto it. The fence is
Guys,
so
who does
spiky. Look at what it did to me.
Looking if we can see the cat.
Yep. Dumper.
I'm back, guys.
And I'm also back with the mysterious thing he doesn't know about.
Abracadabra!
Oh my god! Bro, what weapon is that? Don't take another one, Pop will get mad.
Let me get it now.
No, don't. My Pop won't let you.
What is it?
I'll be watching this video. What did you do? What was he doing?
We'll rewatch the video in a second.
Okay, guys.
Did you stop it?
No. Bye.